Hi, this is Watson from 911 Studios, and today we're going to take a look at the Blackstone 36-inch cooking station, a 4-burner propane-fueled restaurant-grade professional 36-inch outdoor flat-top gas griddle with built-in cutting board, garbage holder, and side shelf. This model has 16,000 ratings on Amazon with an average of 4.8 out of 5 stars, which for that number of ratings is an extremely high average. Not surprising, it's a #1 bestseller in propane grills. And if 36 inch is a little much for you, Blackstone also makes a 28-inch version and a 28-inch version with 2 burners. The unit's black and stainless steel and is 40 by 25 by 14.5 inches. New features. This unit comes equipped with Blackstone's new and improved side shelf, giving the user a removable cutting board, convenient paper towel holder, and strategically placed trash bag hooks. Plus Blackstone's new rear grease management system to help eliminate mess. Restaurant-style cooking. With 720 square inches of flat-top grilling, this griddle is perfect for breakfast, lunch, and dinner. Cook eggs, pancakes, quesadillas, grilled cheese, steak, potatoes, teppanyaki-style foods, and more. You can actually replace your grill or barbecue with a Blackstone griddle and never look back. This grill is simple to use and easy to assemble, so you'll be cooking in no time. Eliminate the hassle of kerosene, charcoal, and matches. This grill includes an easy start, battery-powered push-button ignition. With a simple push of a button, your griddle is ready to go. Take the headache away from outdoor cooking and spend more time enjoying the outdoors. This thing is durable. The Blackstone grill is built to last with a powder-coated black steel frame, stainless steel burners, and thick cold-rolled steel cooktop. Easily wheel around your yard or transport from the backyard to the campsite, thanks to the removable griddle top, fold-up legs, and 4 industrial-strength caster wheels. Has 4 independently controlled 15,000 BTU stainless steel burners, making a total of 60,000 BTUs, controlled low to high for versatile cooking options. Now let me share with you a fantastic review from a verified purchaser. This review is for the 36-inch Blackstone griddle, which I've been using for over a year now. Overall, I found this to be an outstanding value, especially for its price point. Some simple assembly is required. My griddle came in a single box. Cut the 2 plastic straps and the box lid lifts right off. The components seem well packed. I used a 10mm wrench, an adjustable wrench, and a Phillips screwdriver to assemble. Once I had it unpacked, assembly took about 15 minutes. Blackstone has a helpful 3-minute assembly video you can either watch on Blackstone's site or on YouTube. I weighed the griddle top in at 55.5 pounds, and if you're not comfortable lifting a bulky item of this weight, get someone to help you. It is outstanding. Well, there you go, folks. Pick up your Blackstone griddle today. I think you're gonna love it.